Hi everyone, welcome back again. The lesson of this script you are going to study present continuous tense, present again or count. Are you ready? If you are ready, let's go and practice together. Let's go. See the topic first. Are you doing? Are you doing? กินแล้วเจ้ากำลังเฮ็ดบ่เจ้ากำลังเฮ็ดบ่ for the keyword red color count in Lao is mean ต่อ because the lesson is not finished, so we need to create WO line by line, step by step, side by side. If you ready, girl, see the detail of the lesson. Short answer อินแล้วคำตอบสั้นๆ for the keyword red color positive อินแล้วรูปแบบบอกเราประโยคบอกเรา positive sentence like this รูปแบบบอกเรา next start from number 1 or first question. Number 1 is for the question, and for the blue color is means the short answer, positive short answer. The last script I have answer by oral, but this script I will answer by word. You can see clear like now. Okay, let us start together. Present. Am I doing? อินแล้วค่อยกำลังเฮ็ดบ่positive or short answer positive. Yes, you are. อินแล้วเจ้าแม่นแล้ว It is positive, it's not negative. Next, number 2. Are you working or are you working? Are you working or are you working? Short answer positive. Yes, you are. Or yes, you are. Is mentioned you answer for another people. It's not you answer by yourself. For the question, are you working in Lao? พวกเจ้าพวกทานกำลังเฮ็ดเวียกบ่ พวกเจ้าพวกทานกำลังเฮ็ดเวียกบ่ And then you see they are working, you see by your eye at the moment. And then you answer positive short answer like a yes you are. อินแล้วเจ้าแม่นแล้ว Next, number 3. Is he going? อินแล้วลาวผู้ชายกำลังไปบ่ Short answer positive. Yes, he is. อินแล้วเจ้าแม่นแล้ว Next, number 4. Is it eating? อินแล้วมันกำลังกินบ่ Short answer positive. Yes, it is. อินแล้วเจ้าแม่นแล้ว You can see from 2 dots. They're eating, right? Eating. Next, number 5. Are we staying or are we staying? Or are we staying is for the present in Lao. พวกเขากำลังพักบ่ Short answer positive. Yes, we are or yes, we are. yes we are or yes we are กินแล้วเจ้าแม่นแล้วเจ้าแม่นแล้ว next number 6 is she going is she going this is for present กินแล้วเราผู้หญิงกำลังไปบ่เราผู้หญิงกำลังไปบ่ short answer positive yes she is yes she is กินแล้วเจ้าแม่นแล้วเจ้าแม่นแล้ว next number 7 are you writing or are you writing are you writing or are you writing this is for question กินแล้วพวกเจ้าพวกทานกำลังเขียนบ่พวกเจ้าพวกทานกำลังเขียนบ่ short answer positive yes you are or yes you are yes you are or yes you are กินแล้วเจ้าแม่นแล้วเจ้าแม่นแล้ว next number 8 are they sleeping are they sleeping are they sleeping or are they sleeping and this is for question กินแล้วพวกเขากำลังนอนบ่พวกเขากำลังนอนบ่ short answer positive yes they are or yes they are yes they are or yes they are กินแล้วเจ้าแม่นแล้วเจ้าแม่นแล้ว next number 9 are they crying or are they crying are they crying or are they crying this is for question กินแล้วพวกเขากำลังร้องไห้บ่พวกเขากำลังร้องไห้บ่ short answer positive yes they are or yes they are yes they are or yes they are กินแล้วเจ้าแม่นแล้วเจ้าแม่นแล้ว next number 10 last number for this script are you enjoying or are you enjoying are you enjoying or are you enjoying is for the question in แล้ว is mean พวกเจ้าพวกทานกำลังม่วนบ่พวกเจ้าพวกทานกำลังม่วนบ่ short answer positive yes you are or yes you are yes you are or yes you are กินแล้วเจ้าแม่นแล้วเจ้าแม่นแล้ว okay these lessons break here and stop here if this script has the useful and the basic etc for who don't have the basic before please subscribe share like thank you very much for all of you follow subscribe all of my video to make me have the encourage to create the new video for you thank you